This is what happened in Web3 this week. Shopify enables merchants to begin designing, minting, and selling Avalanche NFTs. MasterCard to launch a program for music artists built on the Polygon blockchain. Square Enix, the company behind the Final Fantasy game series, has stated that it will continue to focus on creating games using blockchain technology. LG Electronics partners with Pixelinks to enter the metaverse. Ethereum name service ENS set a lifetime record in 2022 with 2.8 million domain registrations. Dogecoin Foundation allocated 5 million Doge for the new Core Development Fund. Microsoft CSO says the metaverse is part of the customer experience's future. Yuga Labs' total royalty income from Other Deed for Other Side, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and Mutant Ape Yacht Club collections add up to more than $100 million. Former State Street head of digital finance Nadine Shakar is now set to lead blockchain startup Securrency as its CEO. Australia's Coolangatta launches the first Bitcoin ATM, integrated with Lightning Network capabilities. According to CoinGate, e-commerce crypto payments volume hiked by 60% in 2022. MasterCard CEO says in 2023, we'll be laser-focused on using crypto tech to create practical products, build trust, and solve problems for people. For weekly updates on Web3, be sure to follow NFT Premier.